Hi, good evening everyone. Today we will be starting with the 65th scenario of our Apex trigger. In the same scenario, we will be using two objects, account and opportunity. So if I talk about the scenario, we have one field that is closed. So if the opportunity is closed one, and let's take an example on account, there are two opportunities that has been closed. One has amount as 500 and the other has a amount of 5 lakh. So we need to populate the name of the opportunity plus the amount of the opportunity of the highest closed one opportunity. So let's see how we will be doing it. First thing that I always ask in each trigger, that should we consider before insert trigger or after insert trigger. So we will be going with the after insert trigger, but here we will not only be playing around with the insert, but we will be doing for update, delete and undelete operation. So let's write the code for the trigger. So what I will be doing, I will not be starting with handler. I will first go on trigger and I will be adding the context variable if trigger dot is insert and trigger dot is after. Then what you need to do, you need to call opportunity handler dot handle max amount. So what I will be passing here, I will be passing two parameters here. One is trigger.new and another is null. So we will be discussing while adding the insert operation, while adding the update operation, why we need a null here. So what I will be passing trigger.new and another parameter is null. Okay, so first method is done. Also the insert and undelete both receive trigger.new. So what I will be doing, I will be adding trigger dot is undelete. So I have added or condition and here I will be adding one braces here. Once we are done with this braces, further let's create this method. Okay, let's go for update operation as well. If trigger dot is update and trigger dot is after, then what you need to do, you need to copy the same line that we have written here and we need to paste the same line here. So also what you need to do here, you will be passing trigger.ownMap. So I just need to compare if the opportunity account has been changed or not changed, then only our trigger should work. So what I will be adding, I will be adding trigger.oldMap. So this is done, and if I copy this out and I will be pasting this line again for delete operation. So what I will be adding, if trigger dot is delete and trigger dot is after. So instead of new, I will be passing old. First thing old is passed, and second thing, we don't have new map or old map here. We have old map but we don't have new map here. So what I will be adding, I will be adding null. So this trigger will not get saved. Why? Because we haven't created the handle max amount method. So what we will be doing here, we will be creating the method here, that is public static void, and we will be pasting the method name. And what I will be passing here, list of what is the list name, that is list of opportunity. Since we are doing the update operation on insert, update, delete or undelete on opportunity, based upon that we need to proceed with the maximum amount of our opportunity that is closed one on the account field. So that's why we will be doing all the opportunity, all the operations on the opportunity. So what I will be passing, I will be passing new records, and I will be passing a map of ID comma opportunity, and here in the opportunity I will be passing old map here. So once we are done with this, we will be saving this method out so that we can save our trigger class as well. And now if I click on save, you will be seeing that your trigger will get saved here and there will be no problem with them. So our framework has been saved, so it is the time to start the trigger. First of all, I will be using the same method for insert, update, delete. So we will be treating this method as a entry point for insert, update and delete. We will be adding a checks through which we will be differentiating if it is update or if it is delete or if it is insert. So first thing that I will be doing, I will be passing for opportunity OPX colon. What I need to do, I need to check it from new records. I need to iterate new records. What I will be doing, first thing that I will be checking if old map if it is not equal to null. Oh my bad, I have added one. So if this is not equal to, I think my not equal to is not working. It should work ideally. Old map if not equal to, yeah, now it is working. Oh my bad, my keyboard is just playing around with me. So let's add if not equal to, now it is working fine. If it is not equal to null, then you need to proceed, else you need to do something. Okay, so what all the update operation will happen here, because for insert, delete and undelete, this is equal to null. We have passed a null variable here. If you see here, we have passed a null, but for update operation only we have passed the trigger.oldMap here. Okay, so what I will be doing further, for I will be comparing if old map dot get, that is opx dot id dot account id. If first of all I will be checking this condition, that is if opx dot account id if not equal to null. So if this value is equal to null, then there is no mean in order to play around with this trigger. So what I will be doing, so I will be adding this condition, that is and second thing what I need to check, if account ID has been changed, if the account ID has been changed, then we need to add the both account ID, that is old account ID as well as new account ID as well. So what I will be doing here, that is opx dot account ID. So if this is true, then further this condition should also be true. If these both conditions are true, then only consider with this trigger. So further what I need to get all the opportunities that are related to this account, so that I can get the maximum record out of all the records that are related to that account ID. So what I will be doing, I will be storing the account ID in the set. So what I will be thinking, I will be taking a set of ID, that is account ID set is equal to new set of ID. So once we have passed this out, what I will be doing, I will be copying this and I will be pasting it here, account ID dot and, that is opx dot account ID. This is a new ID. Sorry, my bad. Also we will be storing the old ID or old account ID as well, so that all the records should get updated. Okay, all the accounts should get updated. So what I will be copying, I will be strictly copying this line and will be adding it here instead of opx.account ID. So I hope everyone is clear with the update operation. So this is where the update operation is happening, and if opx dot account ID, if this is not equal to null, then what we will be doing, we will be copying this line. This is for insert, delete and undelete operation. So if else, we will be first landing into else part, where the old map is equal to null, and second we will be comparing if opx dot account ID is equal to null. If not equal to null, then only we will proceed with further. So I hope everyone is clear till this point. Next step is we will be getting the opportunities. So you need to hear the requirement again. We need the highest opportunity that is related to that account. So what we will be playing around, we will be playing around with the nested for loop. We can go ahead with the simple query, but here the nested query will give me the maximum query, a maximum record, the maximum highest contact, the highest opportunity that are available on the account. So what I will be doing, I will be going on list of account, ACC list, and what I will be doing, I will be doing select ID, comma name, comma. I don't need account details because I just need to update. Oh, let's do the description as well. Since we need to do the description and we are doing the query on account, so let's do the thing. And further, I will be adding the nested query or inner query here, but as select ID, comma amount, comma name from opportunities. Since in the inner query we will be at the pool name, where not what I will be doing, order by amount, DESC, that is from descending, that highest. And what I will be doing, I will be adding limit 1. So let's see if this works. If it does not work, then we will be checking out how we will be fixing it. From account where ID in account ID set. So let's see if this is working or not working. So let's save this out and let's check if the query is giving me an issue. So it is saying that must be equal. So we have not added where ID in ID name, and I think that is conditional statement at line number 8. So I think we are getting the issue in line number 8. Oh, we haven't added equal to here. So as soon as we add equal to here, now I think the issue will get resolved and our data has been saved. So this has given me the highest opportunity that is related to this. So what we will be doing here, we will be further iterating this account loop. So what I will be doing, for account A colon ACC list, what I will be doing, if or let's do one thing, let's create a map for this. So what I will be doing, I will be creating a map. So it is not a good practice to do like this. We will create a map here. So what I will be doing, I will be creating a map of ID comma opportunity, okay, that is OPP map is equal to new map of ID comma opportunity, and we will be closing this line here. So what I will be doing, if not a, if a dot, that is opportunities dot size greater than 0, then only we need to proceed with this operation, else we don't need to proceed with this operation. So what we will be doing, that is OPP map dot put, what I will be putting a dot ID comma, what I need to put, a dot opportunities. This will give me full list, and what I need, I just need a first index because I have limited to 0. So I will be doing it like this. So let's see if we are getting the data or not. I think we are, oh, size method, we haven't added the braces. Now let's try to save this. So now the things are done. So our map has been created. Now it is a final run in order to update the description. So what I will be doing, for ID final ID is equal to, what I will be doing, since I need to take care for delete as well. So what I will be doing, I will be passing the account ID set. Okay, since I need to update the description for that as well, where there is no opportunity, where so I need to update that no, this account has no opportunity for which the amount can be displayed in the description. So here, that's why we've taken this. So let's do this thing. If OPP map dot contains key Which key is required here? That is final id. Then we need to proceed with something else. We need to proceed with something. So first thing that I will be doing, I will be creating an account a final update final u. Let's a final u, name the a final u is equal to new account. So once we have created this account, next step is a.id is equal to final id. So what I will be doing, a dot description is equal to, what I need to do here, I need to update the description, the name of opportunity that has maximum amount is. So since we have the highest opportunity available here, so what I will be doing, plus I will be getting opp map dot get, what I will be putting, that is final id will give me full opportunity, and further I will be picking the name from here, and plus I will be adding the amount is and plus I will be copying this, and after copying, instead of name I will be pasting the amount. So I hope everyone is clear how we are getting the maximum opportunity with the name here. So once we are done with this, so let's see what all problem we are getting. So the name is a final u and I am using a. So let's update it out, and let's update it here. And also what we will be doing in the else part, we will be updating is equal to there is no opportunity that is ClosedWon on account. Also I need to check one more check here, where stage name equal to ClosedWon. So since I need to take care for ClosedWon only, so I forgot that point, so I will be adding the stage name as well. Stage name as well. So the stage name equal to ClosedWon, I was adding colon here, so I've removed it, and we have successfully saved this. So now finally we have recover all the error. So now it is time to finally do the DML. So in order to do the DML, what I will be creating, I will be creating a list of account, that is updated ACC list is equal to new list of account, and further I will be using this list in order to update my record. So what I will be doing, updated ACC list. So in both if else condition, what I will be doing, I will be updating updated ACC list dot add a final u, and here also I will be copying this line, and here also I will be pasting this line. And let's try to save, and I think we are facing some issue in line 6. So I think we have added one bracket extra here, so we will be deleting that extra bracket, and once we save this out, our trigger is done, and finally we just need to do the HTML operation. If updated final list, oh my bad, dot is empty. If this is empty, so what I will be doing, we will be just adding is empty. So if is not empty, then what you need to proceed. So let's delete this keyword as well. So as soon as we delete it here, so if it is not empty, then we will be doing update ACC list. Okay, so I think we have done the I capital. You don't worry about the apex, about the case sensitiveness, but as soon as you go in the LWC, you face the issue. Okay, so I think we got the extra bracket here. So let's remove this bracket and let's try to save it again. So what I will be doing here, so now I will be going on to my account. So I have created, I think, some account. Oh, first of all, I forgot one thing. Here I need to add the operation, that is after insert, after insert, after update, update, after delete, after delete, and after undelete. We will be adding all the operation here so that we don't face any challenge after saving this trigger at the time of testing. So once we are done with this, we will be opening Yamna Infotech, and here I don't think I have created any opportunity. So let's create 2 to 3 opportunity. Let's make it yellow info, and here I will be keeping amount at 5822 and stage equal to need and lessons. So I will be playing around at the time of update. So let's do one thing. Let's create 3 opportunity. One is for 500, one is 5822, and one is 555,822. So I will be creating another opportunity, that is 2 times 58822. So let's clone this out. So let's do one thing. I think no, we are not getting the opportunity. We just will be cloning it out, and we will be changing the name from, we have clone option here. So as soon as we clone it, so what, yellow info 1, and here I will be doing 555, not here, I will be doing 555 here. So let's save this with, this is with the highest amount, and again I will be cloning it. And further what I will be doing here is that is 522. This is with the least amount. So what I will be doing here, I will be playing around with ClosedWon. So as soon as I save this, and if I go on Yamna Infotech, and if I go here on the detail, you will be seeing that your opportunity description will come as I think the description has not been updated. So let's check where we are facing a issue because our update operation happened. So what I will be doing, I will be doing system.debug. Okay, so I think we are getting with one. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's make it updated. Let's updated ACC list. Okay, so let's see what is coming here, and before this we will be copying this line, and we will also be getting the map, that is OPV map. So let's get the OPV map here as well. So let's save this out and let's check how the things are working now. So I think we are getting the issue in this line. What is the issue? That is update variable don't exist. Why the variable don't exist? Oh, it is not updated, it is update ACC list. So let's try to save this out and let's see why we are still facing the issue. So what I will be doing, I will be adding the number as 5 and not 5, let's make it 1000 only. So what I will be doing, I have created 3 opportunity. So let's make, that is yellow info 4 and account is updated and stage equal to ClosedWon, not this, and stage equal to ClosedWon, and so instead of this I will be adding 1000. So as per our limit, this should fire because ClosedWon is now 1000 with highest. So let's see here what log we have generated. So if I go here and if I go on debug only, so here we have got the yellow info 4 and here we also get the description. So let's check the account again. So if the details have been updated, so let's refresh this out and let's see. So our description is not getting updated, but we have got the account. I think we have done the small mistake, that is if this is not equal to, so that's why it is not getting updated. So this happens with the 12 so you don't need to worry. That's why we have a testing ground here available with each and every trigger, so that we don't miss anything. So let's play around. Now the trigger is working, so we have got the, so I hope you have got how we can do the debugging. If all the records are coming, maybe we are facing the issue in the end line, like I have done that. So what I will be doing, I will be just updating the just yeah, let's play around with this, that is yellow info. Let's change the status to ClosedWon. Okay, so let's make it select, and further what I will be doing, I will be changing it to ClosedWon. So as soon as I update this record, so now if I go on Yamuna Infotech, if you go here and if you check the detail, again I am facing the issue. No, this time I don't think there should be. Yeah, still we are getting the issue. So now what is the issue? Let's check it here. Let's click debug only. So this time the over update operation doesn't happen. So let's see what is the issue with the update. So in the update, the trigger fired, but we don't get any record. Oh, let's see. Okay, so we don't get a map. That is this. So what is f opportunity dot size greater than 0? So we have order by amount descending. So let's just debug this query. Why the hell this is not happening in the debug? Because the debugging means our trigger fire for the same. Okay, so let's save this out. And oh, the update is only happening for when the account ID is getting changed. Okay, so it is not happening for update. So if account ID is not equal to null, and when this is so, as per the requirement, we don't only need to check this, but we also need to check one more thing, that is we will be adding one check here, that is if stage name has been changed. Okay, so what I will be adding, or I will be adding the or condition here. So sometimes while debugging we also get the issue that we haven't written. So what I will be, we will be copying this, and instead of account ID I will be just adding the stage name. Okay, and if stage name, not this, if stage name is equal to, if not equal to ClosedWon, yeah, we will be just adding, if the old dot stage name is not equal to ClosedWon, not equal to yeah, we will just be comparing it with this, that is opx.id, that is opx dot, rest we will be generating out, that is opx dot stage name. Okay, so by adding this check we will test this trigger as well, that if the stage name has been changed, then also we need to fire this trigger. Okay, so now we have finally one opportunity left, that is yellow info 1. So what I will be doing, I will be changing the stage to ClosedWon here, and let's expect that now we get the output, because I don't think we are facing any issue now. So now this happened, and if I go on Yamuna Infotech, and finally we are getting something in the description. The name of opportunity, that is maximum amount, is yellow info 1, and the amount is 5822. That is the highest amount. So sometimes the checks has another weightage in writing the trigger. So I hope you like my content of this trigger. So if you like my content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more such notification in the future. Thank you. Thanks everyone.